to Online Story Time. I am Nadia from the Broomfield Library, and today I have a story for you about kitty cats. Let's begin with getting our hands and fingers ready with open, shut them. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give your hands a clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them, crawl them, creep them, crawl them. Right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open up your little mouth, but do not let them in. All right, my early literacy tip for today is to sing. Singing with your child helps you bond with your child and improves vocabulary skills. So sing fun songs every day. And we're going to start with a fun song that goes to the tune of I'm a Little Teapot, which I'm sure everyone knows. This one is called I'm a Little Kitty Cat, and there's a couple of hand movements that go with the song. So let's try them. We're going to point to ourselves. We're going to make whiskers on the kitty. Here's the cat's feet. And we're going to hunt and scare a little mouse. So let's try it. We're going to sing the song 2 times, so you'll have time to get it really perfected. All right, here we go. I'm a little kitty cat, nice and sweet. Here are my whiskers, here are my feet. When I go out hunting, mice beware, or you might just get a scare. Okay, let's do it one more time. I'm a little kitty cat, nice and sweet. Here are my whiskers, here are my feet. When I go out hunting, mice beware, or you might just get a scare. All right, great job, everybody. Now we're gonna read our story. The Little Kitten by Nicola Killen, read with permission from Simon and Schuster Publishers. It was a crisp autumn morning, and Ollie was heading outside to play, closely followed by her cat, Pumpkin. And Pumpkin says, meow. Ollie was about to jump into a pile of leaves when she noticed it was moving. I wonder what's in there. She tried to take a closer look, but suddenly the wind whistled, blowing the leaves everywhere. Hiding underneath was a little shivering kitten. Ollie scooped the kitten into her arms and cuddled him until he felt warm. The little kitten was very friendly, and soon the 3 of them were playing together. They started with a game of hide and seek. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She's going to find them. Before catching falling leaves and being explorers. After so much excitement, it was time for a rest. But it wasn't long until the little kitten wanted to play again. Ollie was having so much fun, she forgot about Pumpkin. There's Pumpkin all the way over there, napping under the tree, and ran farther and farther into the woods. When the new friends reached the heart of the woods, Ollie noticed there were posters everywhere. She looked closer and saw a familiar face staring back. Oh, look at all these posters. Who is that? It was the little kitten, and someone was looking for him. I need to take you home, Ollie whispered. Do you know where that is? The kitten meowed, and suddenly the wind whistled, whipping hundreds of leaves into the air. As the leaves settled, they revealed a secret path. The kitten set off right away with Ollie close behind. Where would it lead them? Let's find out. It was the kitten's home. Ollie waved goodbye. She felt sad, but knew the kitten had someone who loved him just as much as she loved Pumpkin. Oh, Pumpkin, sobbed Ollie as she realized she'd left her own cat behind. She hurried back through the woods, unsure of the way, not noticing the sky getting darker and darker. Lost and alone, Ollie sat down. As a tear trickled down her cheek, she heard a rustling in the leaves. And a familiar meow. Pumpkin, you found me! I'm so sorry I left you behind. Purring loudly, Ollie's cat led her out of the woods and toward home. That night, Ollie wasn't the only one happy to be reunited with her cat. Oh, they look so cozy there. And in the morning, Ollie opened the door to find a very special thank you gift. Do you think the little kitten left her that gift? I think he might have. All right, I have a kitten rhyme for us to do on the felt board today. All right, let's count how many kittens are on the board. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up a little bit. 6 kittens. 6 little kittens found a box of paint. Here's the box of paint. They jumped right in. Their mother will faint. The first little kitten came out red. There's a red kitten. I'll be orange, the second one said. The third little kitten turned bright yellow. I'll be green, said the next little fellow. The fifth little kitten said, my favorite is blue. Purple for me, said the sixth with a mew. Dancing home, the little kittens go to show their mother a kitten rainbow. So fun, look at all those colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, a rainbow of kittens. All right, let's sing our goodbye song and then we'll be done with story time. Wave goodbye, it's time to go. Wave up high and wave down low. Now wave fast, now wave slow. Wave goodbye, I'll miss you so. Wave up high and wave down low. Wave goodbye, it's time to go. Thank you so much for joining me for story time today. Have a great rest of your day.